doing an adjustment with no replacement. Come to point of sale, choose line type 4, adjustment. If this is a claim from Goodyear, Michelin, or one of your main manufacturers, put in their claim number. If not using a claim number, put in the customer's last name. If you know the item number, you can type the item in. If not, you can select and find the item number. And choose the item that you want to adjust and add it to the order. You can do tread depth remaining or percent worn. We'll put 50% worn. That will now give us our adjusted credit. If you're not wanting to sell a new item, if you go over down to the item field here and you clear this out, it will now just give you the adjustment credit. Hit your green check mark and add the line item to the order.